How's it going, guys? So as you can tell, it's an absolutely beautiful day out. It's a bit chilly. It's about 5 degrees Celsius at the moment. So I've got the gloves on today to keep the hands warm. But yeah, it's the first time we've had some sunshine for a while. So I thought I'd get out my bike, come along the Tarka Trail. Probably not going to go too far, maybe 14 miles. But I thought I'd bring you guys along with me for the ride. So I shall catch up with you guys along the way. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, well that's as far as I'm going today. We're what are we? 7.2 miles. So it's nice and peaceful. Just got the sound of the river, it's awesome. But I'm just going to take a slow ride back. Might film some more on the way back. But yeah, it's been a nice ride. I just see an alert for chance of snow here in North Devon, so fingers crossed, because it's been about 3 years since we had any snow here, so that would be cool. And then get some video of that too. But anyway, that's it for now. I might catch up with you on the way back, but if not, I'll catch you soon. So take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.